Hello Scratchers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You all must be surprised to find me back. I wasn't able to make and upload videos because of my busy schedule. But it doesn't mean that I left coding. Now, I would definitely try to upload videos frequently. So now, without doing any delay, let's stick to the aim of this video. In this video, we will be learning how to make a button. It's not only about making it respond on a click, but for adding animations while hovering or if clicked. So without doing any delay, let's begin. So starting off, like always, we'll first delete this default sprite and add a new sprite by clicking on this icon and searching button. You can add any of this button. I'll be choosing this one and I'll change its name and its costume too. I like the second one, so I'll keep the second one and delete the first one. And then I'll change it X and Y axis from default to 0 and 0. And then starting off with the code, first is when flag clicked and wait for 0.1 second. You might be thinking how I added all these commands just by this menu. If you are having this question in your mind, then I think that you haven't seen my video based on Scratch add-ons. Scratch add-ons have many features which you can implement, and a video will be linked in the description or the I button which you see at the top. You can see this video after completing this video. So further after this, go to front layer and then we will be making a variable. Name this variable button or any other name which you like for this sprite only, and then OK. In the starting, set button to 0 and then show. After that, if else, and above this if else you have also add a forever loop, and then in the if else add touching mouse pointer. So if touching the mouse pointer, then this variable will be set to a value. What that value is? That value is a combination of many mathematical operations. First is the multiplication sign, and we have to multiply a button with 0.75, and then we have to add a minus sign first, and then the size from the size which you want to keep while hovering. So I'll choose 120, and we have to multiply this by 0.2. Add this to this space empty here, and this 0.2 tells the smoothness of the transition. You may play with it to see all the after effects. Now we'll add this value to button, and then after this we'll change the size by button, and after that if mouse down, then most probably hide and broadcast a message. This message can be any message depending on you which message you want to broadcast after clicking on this button. For me, this button is my play button, so I'll be broadcasting play. This broadcast has no role in this video. I'm just adding for your comfort. So I'll discard this, and after that in else we can copy this same code here and add this back. Now we can change this size. While not hovering, the size will be kept to 100, and while hovering, the size will be kept to 120. You can definitely change these values, and as a surprise, the code is done. Now we can play this project, and if we hover on it, then as you can see a smooth animation or transition we can see while hovering over it. If I remove my mouse pointer from it, the size shrinks, and you can notice this size changing. It varies to many different values, but finally settles at the values entered here while not hovering 100 and while hovering 120. And if we click on it, it will hide. If you don't like this instantly hiding, then what you can do is you can add a repeat, then change host effect by 10, and we'll add this hide after this, and in the starting we'll set the host effect to 0. Now we run the project and we click on it. As you can see, it smoothly disappears. It looks much better. So this was all the code required for such an important and an feature that adds quality to your projects. So this was all for this tutorial of this play button. You can add to your projects and make them look more beautiful. And if you like this video, consider liking and subscribing my channel if you haven't till now. And also click on the notification bell for receiving frequent notification whenever I upload or post any comment or video. Till then, stay safe and continue scratching on. Bye.